Rats, lots of them. We seem to be overrun with rats at the moment. Now, I've been watching YouTube videos of a lot of them about where people are using baking soda, mixing it with the food and using that as a rat poison. But I haven't actually come across a video yet where somebody actually shows you a dead rat that's been killed that way. So I'm going to do a little bit of an experiment and try and see if it works. So I got myself a bag of sodium bicarbonate, just ordinary baking soda. I got this off Amazon, but you can get it anywhere. You can get it in your supermarket, probably get it in your little corner shop. And I'm going to mix it with some, these are lamb pellets, which is what they're eating basically. So I've just got the crumbs out of the bottom of the bag because I thought it would mix a little bit better than the pellets. There's a few whole pellets in there, you can see, but basically just the crumbs. I'm going to mix it in this little pot, 50-50, and see how we get on with that. Oh look, yeah, works on vegans and vegetarians as well. Yeah, that's handy to know. Right, let's get this bag open. See what we've got. Oh, there you go, we're in. Right, so I'll put mix a couple of batches up, I think. Put that in there. Now everybody seems to recommend 50-50, so put that in there and mix it up. Now the idea behind this is that apparently, I don't know whether it's true or not, but the rats can't belch or fart. So when they get this inside them and they go and have a drink of water and the bicarb fizzes up and bursts a gut, a bit like shaking your pop bottle up. And you get all that fizz in it, and when they have a drink of water, hey presto, it all goes off. So that's that mixed. Now, at great personal cost to myself, just as an extra treat for them, I'm going to mix in one of my custard creams. Anybody that knows me will know this is a hell of a sacrifice I'm making here. I don't part with my custard creams that often. I'll get that in there. All the ones I've seen online, all the American ones anyway, they use that cookie dough mix or whatever it is. But we haven't got any of that, so we'll just mix that in for a bit of extra flavour for them. I do hope they appreciate it. Right, mash that up a bit. There we go, we'll put that down and see if we can attract a few little rats. Maybe a few big rats as well, I think. Oh, there they go, they're running around as I'm filming this. Right, we'll mix the other one up. Put a heap of that in. And another custard cream. Get that crumbled up. Give it a good mix. I don't know how we're going to find out. We'll have to, I suppose we'd have to come across a dead rat, wouldn't we? It's not enough to just say that I put this down and now there aren't any more rats, because they might have buggered off for another reason, you never know. So I want some concrete evidence if this is going to work. Right, you little critters. Oh, it's a bit deeper that one, I'd probably cut a hole in it for them to get in, but never mind. We'll give it a go. Come out there. Right. Right, I'm going to put one down here because this is a regular little runner there. As they come out from under that crate and go through those holes, go along here and pinch the lamb pellets off the pet lambs. So we'll try that one there. Right, I'm in a straw shed now, and there's a couple of old feeder bins here that did have some cake in them. So I've mixed another batch up and put it down under there. We see there's some rat shit about, so they have been feeding in here. I don't know whether they'll take that or not, but we'll see. Now another bonus for this is allegedly it's pet friendly. If your dog gets in among that and takes a liking to it, it's going to just gas up and fart. And anybody who has ever had a dog will tell you they certainly know how to fart. So that should be no problem for your dogs. Or cats, for that matter. They're probably too busy sitting under the bird table waiting for a blue tit to come and murder it. Right, so that's 3 lots of delicious rat food put down. So hopefully we can tell from this whether it's going to work or whether it's just an absolute load of old bollocks. We'll find out. Watch this space. Okay, so we're about 3 days later now. What I can tell you is the rats have eaten all of the food and about 90% of the bicarb. So that's positive. Oh, there's another one going past. But I haven't found a dead rat yet, so that's, you know, that's what I need to find, is a dead rat. The boys are telling me that there doesn't seem to be as many rats about now, but that's not good enough. So I'm going to mix another batch up. I've got a lovely recipe for them, so let's get stuck into that. So I've been ratcheting around in the kitchen cupboards and I found some out of date and quite soggy chicken gravy granules and some fine brown sugar. So I've mixed them together in this kind of delicious gooey paste, and then I've got some more pellets and I've put them through my coffee grinder just to break them up a bit. So I'm going to put some of those in. Tell you what, half as much in. Put some of this delicious gooey mess in. It smells great, that. I mean, I could just about eat it myself. Maybe not. And now, if this doesn't kill them, it'll make them fat as pigs and they'll not be able to run away. They'll be so fat the little bastards won't be able to get away from me. So we'll mix that in there. I've got a bit much in there, I think, but and some baking soda in. A killer ingredient, I hope. Oh, you're going to love this, lad. You're going to love this, rats. You're going to love it. I've got a bit much in there, I think, but never mind. I'll get it mixed in. I wanted the sticky stuff just to kind of bind it together a bit better. Make sure they're getting the bicarb in. Because what happens is when they scuttle about in here, it all separates and the food's on the top and the bicarb's just laid in the bottom. But like I said, they did go with about 90% of that bicarb, so it might work. I have my doubts, so. Right. Oh, there's another one running past. So you can smell it already. Coming to get it. Come on, come and get it. You're going to love it. Right. Yeah, I'll put about half of that in there. And that can go in the straw shed. Right, get all that bicarb mixed in nicely. There you go. That should do. That's one batch. That's another batch. I'll put some of that in here. Here's another one. I thought the boys said there weren't as many rats about. I think they were lying. Right. Good heap of that. Look at that cheeky little bugger. I'll just put that down where I put the others, the last lot. Put one there, put one a bit farther along here because the lamb feeder's just on the other side of there, so yeah. See what happens, and in the meantime I'm going to have a look around the shed, see if I can find any dead ones. Well, I'll put the third one down on this bale of straw because I seem to like it for some reason, but there you go. We'll see how it goes. I'm definitely not convinced, but all I can do is keep putting it down and see what happens and keep looking out for dead rats. Well, it's about an hour and a half since I put that rat bait down, so I'm just going to have a little look. Oh, they're running around all over the place. I'm just going to have a little look and see if they've been in among it. Well, nothing yet, but they are running around in here, so I'll have a look in the morning. Yeah, some more babies. So we're a day and a half later. Let's have a look and see what they've gone with. Oh, well, they've pretty much cleaned that out. All I need to do is find a dead rat. Oh, there's plenty of them around in here. I think they're nearly tame. Oh well. Well, you can see they've well and truly been into that. But unfortunately, they all look alive and well. There they go, look, off you go. They all seem to be thriving on that, don't they? They don't seem to be ailing anything anyway. Well, look what we have here. A dead rat. It's only a baby like, but it's dead. Well, no way of telling what it died of like, but well, that might be the start. Well, that's all we can do really, I think, is just keep putting the bait down. Well, they're eating it anyway, so that's a good sign. Personally, I think we're just going to end up with a lot of fat rats, but never mind, it might work. We'll see. I'll keep a lookout for dead rats. And I'll let you know what happens. Well, that's it for this video. So if you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. Might even want to think about subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.